Roam the city with the Revi Bikes Rebel 1.0 fat bike, the perfect bike for adults and anyone who wants a sporty ride that can go anywhere. It features a reinforced folding frame, and among the folding bikes with fat tires and a big motor suited for the challenging urban environment and tackling off-road paths. The Revi Bikes Rebel is powered by a 48V, 500W high-speed Bafang motor sitting inside the rear wheel for direct torque on the road. The bike has a peak output of 800 watts and puts out 80 nanometers of torque. It has a top speed of 25 miles per hour and can go smoothly over potholes and ride on rough terrain with ease. This model has a 48V lithium-ion battery pack with 13Ah capacity. Ride it to work or school without worrying about the range. The electric fat bike has a range of 40 miles, so it has more than enough power to last throughout the day. The Revi Bikes Rebel features a twist throttle and pedal assist functions. The bike comes with up to 9 levels of assist for accurate control of the ride. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. This is a sporty folding bike with a reinforced frame and 4-inch fat tires. The bike has a max weight capacity of 300 pounds. And has fat tires for excellent cushioning on rough paths and better grip on loose surfaces. The Revi Bikes Rebel 1.0 electric bike is a stylish bike with sleek looks, featuring a frame made of lightweight 6061 aluminum. It has a folding frame so you can bring it and park it anywhere. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.